Asus is bringing healthcare back into the spotlight at Computex 2026, and the new VivoWatch 6 Plus is one of the more notable examples. While the company unveiled plenty of AI-focused hardware this week, the smartwatch stands out because it's clearly aimed at something bigger than fitness tracking. At first glance, the VivoWatch 6 Plus looks like a significant step up from the VivoWatch 6 from 2024. The display has grown to 1.43 inches from 1.39 inches on the predecessor, and Asus has added sapphire crystal protection and a titanium alloy case. Together, those changes give the watch a more premium feel than earlier models. The health side is where most of the changes are. ECG and blood pressure monitoring are still here, but Asus has added sleep breathing movement analysis and gait tracking as well. Neither feature is entirely new to the broader wearables market, but together they suggest Asus is trying to build a more complete picture of a user's long-term health rather than simply recording daily metrics. What's interesting is how the watch fits into the company's larger plans. Asus spent a good portion of its Computex presentation talking about AI-powered healthcare, and the VivoWatch 6 Plus appears to be part of that ecosystem. Data collected by the watch can feed into the company's AI agent healthcare platform, which was demonstrated alongside the new Handheld Ultrasound DuoScan. In other words, Asus isn't pitching this as just another smartwatch. The idea seems to be creating a connected health platform where wearables, diagnostic tools, and AI software all work together. That's an ambitious goal, though it's still early days. The VivoWatch 6 included sensors for ECG, PPG, and body composition tracking. There was also the lighter VivoWatch 6 Aero, aimed at users who preferred something smaller and less watch-like. The new Plus model feels like Asus combining both approaches, more premium hardware on one side, deeper health analytics on the other. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, so it's hard to say where Asus intends to position the device against competitors. Even so, the VivoWatch 6 Plus feels like one of those products worth keeping an eye on.